Welcome back. In the previous video, you saw how to purchase and activate CB Exchange Server Sync. Now, you'll see how to configure the service to synchronize between two Exchange users. Here we go. To sync between two Exchange users, first, be sure you're logged into our SaaS portal. From your dashboard, click the Configuration Wizard button. Select CB Exchange Server Sync. The service should already be activated. If it's not, please check the activation video. Now, select the To Type of Configuration button. There are two ways to configure the service. In this video, we will do the Direct Credentials configuration, as we have only two Exchange users. Click the Direct Credentials configuration button. First, we'll set up the first Exchange user participating in the sync pair. The first user is an Office 365 Exchange user, therefore the username and the email address will be the same. The Exchange user email address, and of course the password. Now, let's be sure to test the connection. Thanks to the auto discovery feature, you don't need to worry about the Exchange server URL and version information. Now, let's set up the second Exchange user. The second user is a 2016 on-prem Exchange user. The username in this case will be the name of the user in this format. Clearly, the user email address is going to be the email address of that user, and of course, the password. To be sure, let's test the connection. Great! We successfully configured two Exchange users to participate in the synchronization process. Now, we're going to show you what options we have when it comes to synchronization. Click the To Synchronization Settings button. Here, we can decide how often the service should check for updates. Please note that smaller intervals are better and faster, but will increase the traffic. Also, here you can set the start date of the synchronization, all Exchange items participating in the sync, and updated or created on and after that date will be synced. Now it's time to choose the synchronization type. Synchronization can be one of three ways. First to second, meaning items created on the first Exchange user will be synchronized with the second. Second to first, or the other way around. Or bidirectional, which means items created on either Exchange user will be synced with one another. In this video, we'll choose bidirectional. Once done, please click the To Folder Mapping button. From here, you can map the folders you wish to sync between the two Exchange users. Let's map the calendar, the contacts, and the inbox folder. Once done, choose whether to include subfolders or not for each of the map folders. Please note, for any folder, turning on the option Include Subfolders means that items in that folder and the items in each subfolder will be synced. When you're done mapping folders, click Finish. Decide if you want to start to sync immediately or later on before leaving the wizard screen. Click Leave Wizard. As you can see, this sync pair was saved. For configuring the service to synchronize between multiple Exchange users, be sure to check out the next video. Thank you for watching.